Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video with my Lego creations. So here we go. So here is the Glock pistol, and I already have a magazine in there. I put these multiple holes in there, so I can like add attachments and just make it easy. So let's go with this. So I could turn this into this side scope, like Han Solo's blaster rifle, or blaster pistol, technically. So it still has the same barrel hole, which is right there, right there. So here's the attachment. So you can have it as a side scope or as a side flashlight. I also have another light suppressor. A little difficult to get on, but I will show you. Okay, here's my second light attachment. Yep, so here's my second light. So now that you've seen my light attachment, let's insert this piece. So I can, I have a bunch of attachments like the two I showed you. I even have a ray attachment like this. So I can shoot like electrical ray, which will kill anybody or anything in its path. So that's the ray. I can even put it on the side. So on the side. And then let's put this. So here is the silencer suppressor. I made it a little longer, but I just decided to shorten it down so it's easy to for my Glock pistol to stay on. And then I have another suppressor, well, silencer suppressor, but it's different. It's a little more rounder. So I insert the blue in the barrel, so it looks like this. And then this is the barrel, obviously. So yeah, and then so besides those pieces I showed you, I decided to make two barrel attachments. Well, besides the silencer, well, besides the two I showed you, I have four. So I showed you half. Now I'll show you the other half. So instead of making silencers and that kind of stuff, I decided to make a muzzle device like this. So now we have the muzzle device, and that's the barrel there, obviously. I decided to put a blue piece in there so people don't get confused on where the barrel would be. So I just decided to have it show. So that's one, and then I have another one, which I was thinking of putting into a grenade launcher, which I don't have, so I'd have to make one. So I had this piece. This is another barrel piece, like Han Solo's pistol. So if you put side scope, so if you put the side scope on, you can you have Han Solo's pistol. So that's Han Solo's pistol. And I can even make a gun. Well, I can make a different kind of. I can make my pistol look different, so I can make it look like this, like kind of rifle-ishly, and then just aim right down the sight right here. So this is what you use to aim with these two pieces right here. So as you can see, just gotta line it up like that. So that's it. I'm showing you how to do it backwards. That'd be kind of like this, but forwards. So that's what it would be like. And then and then I could add my light attachment on here, so it would look. It'd be a little heavy, but yeah, just if it gets the job done, then based on how many shots it can do, then okay. I even have another magazine right here. So this is the second magazine that I have. I just decided to make the bottom part because it match up with the bottom of the pistol handle right here. Like so, yeah. So if I was to insert it, it would just like touch it. So the smooth pieces right here would touch this part. Well, this the outside part, yeah. So it would do that. So this is another mag. And I also have another suppressor that I decided to make. So it's more heavy. Oh, it's technically very heavy, but yeah, it's a good attachment. Let me show you. So first, we want to attach this piece, and then we want to put this on. I like to press on it so it would just hold in place. You don't want it to drop and break. And here we are. So the attachment that I made, it was actually made in, I believe, Austria. And it's built for the Glock pistol only. It's only built for the Glock 17, unfortunately. So yeah, so you can make your own Glock, and then I just decided to make a removable barrel. So that's the barrel right there in there. So that's one barrel. And if I attach this piece, then it's a better barrel because it like helps like with the shooting, I guess. So I just decided to do that. So yeah, and I can add this side scope on the attachment, so it looks kind of more like a rifle. So you can aim right down the side scope, and then I also have more attachments to show you. So here's one of them. I have a lot more attachments to show you. But unfortunately, I did bury a lot of them. So, yeah, so there's this piece and then two other ones, which I will show you in the next video. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.